Hi, Dan here from DeWilt Chrysler, and today we're going to show you the Ram 1500 Rebel. What an awesome truck. Sweet. And this is what makes a Rebel a Rebel. Look at this design in the grille. It's a sport grille. We have the Rebel graphics, which you can't see. They're just terrific. We have hood louvers all the way through on the sport hood. LED lights for one. We have the tow hooks. We have the front sensors. It's just a classic look on your sport vehicle. Quick peek under the hood. Pop the hood. A 5.7 Hemi with 395 horsepower. Has an MDS system here, which means to you it'll reduce down to 4 cylinders and save you fuel efficiency if you're driving at 100K in a cruise mode. Here we have the alloy wheels, 18-inch with a larger sidewall with all-terrain Wrangler Goodyear tires for your off-roading needs, heavy-duty traction with that tread. We have the running boards here, the 4-door crew cab, nice wheel moldings here, more Rebel badging for you. We have a soft tonneau cover here. We have a sliding automatic rear window back here. And as we get to the rear, more sensors, black chrome tipped exhaust. One of my favorite features is a new Dutch tailgate that dampens one way and opens the other for your convenience for loading. Isn't that terrific? I think so. Trailer hitch, pin connectors, Rebel badging, a distinct look on this truck. It's just awesome. In the rear we have the new DT model, has a flat floor, no tranny hump, 60/40 split folding seats. You have more cargo management systems where you can remove the trays and wash them out when you're fishing or drinking too much beer. There you go. We have the USB ports, and we have a power port for your laptop, a few cup holders, some ventilation here as you can control. In the front we have the beautiful stitching on the seats. You'll notice there's Rebel written on here. There's Rebel written over here. We have ventilated and heated seats, nice leather buckets and console, 12-way power seats with lumbar support, heated leather steering wheel, tilt and telescopic steering, push button start, push on, put your foot on the brake, push start. There you have it. A 12-inch screen, which we will review shortly, with a Harman Kardon 19-speaker system. Awesome. Just to review, the 12-inch screen is here. We'll go over it, but watch it on YouTube. We have an in-depth video with it on our station on YouTube, something like that. Anyways, the bottom toolbar will tell you this is the Sirius AM/FM selection. As you can see, you can change it. I like Sirius. We go back there to the bottom toolbar. Here's your ventilation, heating controls, heated seats, and so forth. Backup cameras are going to be displayed. Wow. How do we get out of there? Click it off. Go back to the toolbar, climate control, ventilation direction, temperature control, up and down. You can sync it if you like with the sync button. Both are on at the same time. Back here we go to apps. We have Travel Link. Travel Link is a system which will tell you what you can book ahead of time when you're on the road. You can go to sports venues, you can go to movies, you can go book your hotels and so forth. Next system is the apps. We have a Wi-Fi hotspot, meaning you can pull into a place like Tim Hortons or McDonald's that has Wi-Fi and link up to their Wi-Fi systems. Next, we have the navigation system. There's your map, which is finger controlled. You can open it and close it, or use the power, the positive and negative terminals. Here's your Uconnect system. You can pair your phone. We don't want to pair one right at the moment, but we could. And when you do that, there's a power charging station on the bottom. Once your phone is paired, you slide your phone here, and it'll charge your phone up wirelessly. And that's a brief description of the 12-inch screen. We have hard key buttons on the side. I hope you've enjoyed a quick look at the Ram Rebel 2020 series. And if you have any questions, come on down. I'll show you in in-depth detail and give you a test drive like this.